continue, and that is going to take you to this page where you can be able to copy this code for this form and paste it wherever you want to paste it, whether it is on your landing page or it is on your website. You can be able to paste this code inside of your website. Okay, so as you can see, it is saying our form is ready, and this is the embed code that we can use to embed this form on our website. So I'll be showing you how to actually embed this form on your website, whether you're using Wix, whether you're using WordPress, whether you're using Squarespace, whether you're using any type of website builder that you're using, or even if you are using landing page builders, you can be able to embed this form on that site, so that if they are filling in the form from that site, it is going to be coming in inside of Mailchimp. You do not need to start copying and pasting contacts from your website builder into Mailchimp account, so it is going to be synced automatically. So to do that, all you need to do is just to copy this code. Make sure you copy this code before you start anything, and make sure that you do not change anything in this code yet. So when you come over to your website builder, I currently use those sites, and as you can see, we have different pages I can be able to embed the site on. So I'm going to click on edit content for this particular page. So you go to any page of your website that you want to add the particular form. So it's the same thing for whether you're using Wix or you're using WordPress. Go to the particular page you want to add this form in, and when you go into that page, try to go to the editor of this particular page where you can be able to edit the content on that page. So for instance, in this web page here, I want to be adding the form to this place here, so I'm going to add in a new section. Okay, let me add it here. So I'm going to be adding in a new element. Oh my. So let's say I'll be adding this new element here. Let me delete this. So I'll be clicking on adding new element, and I'm going to add in a new element. It's the same thing. You just need to look for where you can find the code snippets, or yeah, it is most time called code snippets in the website builders. Or if you see embed code or you see embed iframe, just drag in whichever one you see. We're going to be using code snippets, not iframe, because it is actually an HTML code. So we are going to come in inside of this place. Most builders allow you to be able to edit that particular code, but in those sites we just need to add in a new snippet, and we need to name this Mailchimp form, and we click on OK. And when you click on OK, it's going to create a blank page where you can be able to add the code you just copied from Mailchimp. So the process is simple. Just look for where you can find code snippets, then try to paste it inside of that. And as you can see, this is our code snippet we got from Mailchimp, and it has added it in here. And when you are done, you click on OK, and when you click on OK, that is going to update that particular code snippet. So what you want to do now is we want to publish this page, and when we publish this website and we go into our website and we go into this particular page, we should be able to see the form on this page. So now let's click on this particular page and let's see if we can find the form. As you can see, this is the particular form. As you can see, this is the form for Mailchimp. So you can be able to see that all of these fields, directly the way it was in your Mailchimp account, has been added in inside of this place. And you cannot edit anything here. You have to make sure that you edit it in Mailchimp first before it can be adjusted inside of your website. So that is how to embed your Mailchimp form inside of your website. Like I said, it is a very simple process. You just need to copy the code and come inside of your website editor and drag in the website code. So the code you are going to find in Mailchimp, just copy this code and paste it inside of your website builder. Look for the embed code or the embed iframe and paste it in there. And when you paste it in, it's going to show up in your website like this. And when you are sure that everything has been done inside of your website, and you're sure that the code has been connected properly inside of your website, when you go back into your website, you should be able to see how it is going to look like. So here is our form, and here is how it's going to look like on our website. So when people start putting in their details here, it is going to show up inside of Mailchimp directly. So you do not need to start copying and pasting all of your contacts. It is going to show up directly in your in your Mailchimp account. So let's try to see if that is going to work. If we type in a new contact here. Okay, so I have filled out the form on the website, and this is how the form is. And when I click on subscribe, it is going to fill out these details into my Mailchimp account. As you can see, it said I've already subscribed and my profile has been updated. Remember that this thank you page, you can also edit it inside of Mailchimp. So if you go back into Mailchimp now, we should be able to see the new contact I just added inside of Mailchimp. So if you go back into forms and we go to all forms, and this is the contact form I just created. So let me see if I can find it. So if you go into audience, and we should be able to see the new contact we just added in from that form. And as you can see, this is the contacts we just added in from the website, and this is how it is going to look like in your Mailchimp account. So just make sure that the code is pasted correctly on your website, and it is going to work perfectly well. So you can do this for your online store so that you can be able to embed all of the Mailchimp code in your online store. You can embed it in your landing pages, wherever you are, wherever you want to collect data from. Just make sure you embed it in there. So that is how to embed your form on your website. So that is it for this tutorial. I hope this walkthrough gave you practical clarity on how you can be able to set up this part of Mailchimp more effectively. Now, if you are part of a business team or a marketing department or an agency, or you simply want more structure, hands-on guidance for yourself or for your team, we offer Mailchimp training sections designed around your own actual business workflow. So instead of you just learning random features, we help you understand how to use Mailchimp properly for your own specific business process. So this is especially helpful and useful if multiple people are working inside of the same Mailchimp account in your team, and you want everyone to be aligned on the best practices and structure and workflow management. So if this sounds helpful to you, or this sounds like something you want, you can request your training section using the link in the description below. And if you found this tutorial helpful, please do not forget to also subscribe and also like this video, and also share with everyone that you think is going to need this video. All right, I will see you in the next video. Bye.